Hello and welcome to my Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus. Last time I showed you my game Booty. This time I'm going to do Horace and the Spiders. So do the usual load anything, press play on the recorder, usual red and blue borders, and then it should load up in a few seconds. We'll start to anyway. So this is it loading up. Let's take a look while this is loading up. Instruction. This set is the most recently added addition to the Horace series, include Hungry Horace, Hungry Go Skiing. Well, let me just quickly show you this. That's the title screen, Horace and the Spiders. So Horace engine engaged in a hurt to ride the spiders mountains of the deadly octopedes which inhabit them. He sets out with the four phallus of serums which protects him from the fatal bites, but when he's used them he must give them up for the hunt. So I've got first of all climb the hills to reach the mountains. You must cross the spider bridge. Finally kill the spiders in the cave. Horace must survive each of these stages in order to pass into the next. Oh, here we go. I was nearly done. I thought it was nearly finished. Oh, here we go. There we are. So something that says Horace and the Spider. They're actually called Horace and the Spiders. So perhaps I forgot to put an S, or perhaps they couldn't put enough room to have another S there maybe. So don't think I can use joystick. No. Some games can, some games can't, so I have to use the keys. So it's QZIP. QZIP, okay. Let's try this. Okay, so that's crossover. Okay, now I've got to go up the kilt. I've got to go. Well, that's close. Got to wait for the spiders to come. Wait for the spiders to come down. Oh, here's a spider now. Look, now it's in there, so I've got to kill it by that, you see. Oh, oh dear. See, oops. Now back to the beginning again. Oops. Now I've got to jump over here. And this one. Oops, didn't quite do that. Jump over the spider. Jump up the hip, little thing. Another step. Now I've got to jump across to here. Got to jump across all these. Got to make across these strings. These are spider things. Now go down. Now back onto the web. Oh dear. Basically I've got to kill all the spiders in this one. And I've got to kill the spiders by jumping on it. Hope the spiders come down, that's it. So when they're trying to mend their web, I'll just jump on them and kill them like that, you see. Hopefully go along and go in that little hole there. Oh. Maybe it go down in that hole just there. Oh, oh, go all the way to the top and kill that spider. Oh. Now, oh, there, oh. Ah, oh, that's close. Oh dear. Got to be careful that spider down below. Ah, got trapped. But that's Horace and the spiders. I'll do one more game. Oops, too early. Jump, and then jump a little hill bit. Now I've got to jump across these, oh there's only 3 of them this time, oh there's 4. I've got to make my way across all these that's close. Now the little spider's web. Ah, trapped. So I've got to make as many holes as possible. Oh dear, I've got oh dear. Oh dear. Anyway, you kind of get the idea. That's Horace and the spiders. Or Horace and spider, or Horace and the spiders, depending if you're looking at the tape cover or the screen. So, thanks for watching. Bye.